Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In the last tutorial I just explained you how for loop works inside Python. Today I am going to show you how functions can be used inside Python. Okay, at first I am going to tell you, actually in the normal words I am going to explain function. Okay, actually the function means some work is to be done. Okay, that function is not in the library of Python. So you say some job to your computer or something in your program. Okay, just I'm going to tell it my function. Okay, my function is to add this name to whatever string I will give, and I will call that function in other place inside the program, and it will directly do the rest of the thing for me. Okay, let's get started. At first I am going to define my function. Before using your function, you must define your function. For that I am going to type def, and this will be my function. Okay, my function, and then its name will be, I will call it as urn. Okay, whatever you can call whatever you want. Okay, and then it will be end with the semicolon, and then I'm going to type my function. My function will be print. Okay, urn means, okay, plus, okay, wherever the function is called, it will use the remaining thing here. It will come here. Okay, I will explain later. And then it will add some string. Okay, I will add just I am. Okay, quotes, and then I am going to close this, and then coming back here, and here I am going to call my function, my function. Okay, and then for my function I am going to here say I am, sorry, you. Okay, I will just type u, and then I'm going down, and again I'm going to call my function. You can call it how many times you want, function, and then here I am going to add me. Okay, control S, and I am going to run this. Now you can see I just typed here you and me. Okay, it's at first what it going to do is it will call my function. Okay, it will call my function. First it's going to type you, and it will call the function because I am used it in second. This you go to here urn, and then it will add with I am, and output will be you I am. For second I use the same function. Okay, at first it going to add me. Okay, and then it will add I am. Okay, if I use slash n means control S F5. Okay, now you can see it just go to the next line. Okay, it will add in the next line. I think if you are familiar about C++ means you already know what is the next line function like this. Okay, if you use slash n, it just goes to next line. Okay, like that you can use functions. Okay, this is very basic, guys. You should understand the basic concepts. In the future video I am going to upload how to develop game. Okay, it will be game coding with the Pygame library. Okay, I hope you understood something. In the next tutorial I am going little bit advanced about the functions. And thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment and subscribe.